Oh snap, let me hold on. Okay, let me start. What's good, Lena gang? Welcome back. Ooh, what the hell going on? What's good, Lena gang? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I have made it to 1K. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that you guys subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much. I know that I haven't been posting videos like I should, but I promise y'all, just give me some time, okay? And I will get on it, okay? I just be wanna, you know, I'll be having a lot going on, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna get better at doing these videos for you guys. So as y'all see from that title, I am doing a eyebrow tutorial for beginners. Y'all, I'm still a beginner myself, but I feel like, you know, we could all be a beginner at the same time. So I'm gonna show y'all a little something that I do that can maybe help y'all, you know, as beginners. But without further ado, let's hop into this video. All right, so first things first, you want to make sure that your eyebrows are like arched. I said arched. You want to make sure that your eyebrows are waxed, like you just got a wax, or threaded. I usually get mine threaded, but I got them waxed this time. So you want to make sure that they like fresh. You don't want, you don't want to be doing your eyebrows and they're not waxed or threaded. So first thing you do is make sure that they're waxed or threaded. And the second tip I suggest is that you get a good eyebrow pencil, one that's like sturdy, not one that like bends a lot. I like mine to be like very sturdy and like kind of hard, because when you do your eyebrows, when you're outlining it, you don't want it to like bend, because then it'll like mess it up. So I like mine to be like hard and strong. So I got this one from ColourPop. I could see it's alright. I mean, I think the best ones to get is like from Sephora and stuff, but I don't be having time to be doing all that. I just, you know, this one be doing a little something, so I'm like, all right, I got you. I got this one. So what you do is you get you some good eyebrow gel. This is from ColourPop in the color black and brown. So what I do is, all right y'all, so I don't even have one of those brushes to like, you know, make sure that your eyebrows is right. So you girl just go use her hand and make sure that they is going the right way. So basically what I do is just, I take the tip, like the tip right here, I take this part and I dab it in there, mostly on that part, because that's the part that I like to get the most. So, ooh, this is so hard, y'all. I'm left-handed too. All right, so what you do is you start, I usually start at the front and like at the middle part, and just outline it on the outside. And then I go at the bottom and do the same thing. And then I just shade that part in. And then I just go from the front. And then you want to get some more. Ooh, look at that eyebrow already. Don't do that now. Y'all gonna make me cut up. Got my eyebrow looking fleek already. And then So then I start at the end and just, girl, yo, this the part that I struggle with the most, like the end part. So usually I just like draw it down. That. I'm like that. Okay. Look at that eyebrow, y'all. And that's how you do it. Okay. Yeah. 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 And that's how you do that right there. That's how you do that shit. That's how you do it. Alexa, give me some hype music.
I think you'd like to hear some hype, right?
Yes.
Here's a playlist for hype music on Amazon Music.
Oh shit, okay. 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 Y'all, let me stop before I get copyrighted. You know what I mean? Next, what I do is get some concealer, and this is in the color medium beige. Yeah, I usually just go out the door like this, but I'm gonna put some on. So, put some at the bottom. So you just put it on the top one. Just put it at the top, right above where you did your eyebrows, and then right above at the bottom. You do it like that. You want to get you a brush that you could blend it out with. I'm gonna use this. Boom, and there you go, sis. You fleeking, you know, you killing shit. And usually, you know, just put some makeup on, but I ain't putting no makeup on. You know, I just gotta wear that natural beauty glow today, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't already. If you ain't, what you doing with your life? Let me stop. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are not already. And make sure you hit that bell to get notified when I post videos. I love all of you guys. I love all of y'all new subscribers that subscribe to my channel. If you don't know, I go as Lena. So, you know, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been giving me lately. Again, I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.